This is Chapter 4, Working with Windows 10, Part 1, File Management. First is folders. A folder is known as directory or catalog. It is a way to organize computer files. A folder is a storage space where many files can be placed into groups and organize the computer. A folder can also contain other folders, that is called subfolders. Next is creating a file. A file can be created in any program in Windows like MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint, etc. After completing your work, when you save your work and give it a name, a file is created. Next is creating a folder. To create a new folder on your desktop, you have to follow some steps. Like step 1, right click on blank area on your desktop and a shortcut menu will appear. Then select new. A new submenu appears. Then click on folder option. You get a new folder on the desktop. Then type the name of the folder as you want. For example, first folder. Whatever you want, you can give the name of that folder. Next comes to opening a file or folder. What are the different ways to open any file or folder? You have to simply move the mouse pointer to the required file or folder and double click on it. It is open and its contents can be viewed. Next is renaming a file or folder. Renaming means if you want to edit any file name, you can edit by follow some steps. You can see here step 1, select the folder and then right click on it. Then one drop down menu will appear. Then click on rename option. Now type the required name and press enter key. A new name will appear on your folder icon. Then selecting multiple files or folders at a time. Your first heading is selecting adjacent files or folders. Click the first folder to be selected. Then hold down the shift key and click on the last folder or file to be selected. All the adjacent files or folders are selected. This is the easiest way to select your multiple files and folders. Then selecting non-adjacent files or folders. If you want to select these non-adjacent files or folders, you just have to click the first file or folder to be selected and hold down the control key and click on each of the items to be selected. Then you can see non-adjacent files or folders will be selected. Then how to delete a file or folder? Some steps are given here. Select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Then right click the mouse button and click the delete option. And press enter or click the yes button to delete the given file or folder. Then getting back file or folder from the recycle bin. If you have not yet emptied your recycle bin, then you can easily recover that files or folders that you have deleted. Steps are given here, like double click the recycle bin icon. You will find all the files you have deleted and select the file which you want to restore. Then you can click on restore this item. Otherwise, you can right click on that particular file or folder and choose restore. Then your restored file will be moved to the particular location from where it was deleted, and you can get that particular file or folder from that place only. Emptying the recycle bin, how you can delete all files and folders from recycle bin. And first you have to double click on recycle bin icon, then click on empty the recycle bin option, and it will ask you for any confirmation, like then you can click yes or no or hit Y or N on the keyboard. It will execute the command. In this process you can empty your recycle bin, or you can erase all files or folders from recycle bin. Then your next heading is moving a file or folder. To move a file or folder, you have to follow these some steps, like in File Explorer, select one or more files or folders to be moved. Then right click the mouse and click the cut option. Then select the location where the file is to be moved. Then open this folder by double clicking it. Then now right click the mouse and click the paste option. The file is moved to a new location. Then copying a file or folder. Suppose if you want to copy one or more files or folders in different locations, you have to follow these steps. Select the files or folders to be copied in the file explorer. Then right click the mouse and click the copy option. Then select the location where your file to be copied and double click to open it. Right click the mouse, again click the paste option. The file is copied to a new location. Then views, what are the views? View is a term that you can see your files and folders in which way you want to display. File Explorer offers a lot of different view options, including the following like content view, tiles view, details view, list view, then icon view, etc. etc. Then sorting folders content. Sorting means arranging, how you can arrange folders contents. Some steps like right click on the blank area, then select sort by from the pop-up menu. Then select how you want to sort according to name, size, item type, date, modified, or select whether you want to the content sorted in ascending or descending order. That's it.